happening is we're going to look at the question. I'm just going to give you an example first. If you see something like minus 2x, and if someone was to ask you, what is x? X is called a variable. It has a name, right? And minus 2 over here is called a coefficient. Because we're going to be using these words. If you look at 3y over here, what is the variable? Y is the variable. And 3 is your... apologies. 3 is your coefficient. If you look at this one over here, minus 2 by 3 over x, this whole thing, x is your variable and negative 2 over 3 is your coefficient. I'm going to remove all of this. So, all right, let's number the equations. Equation number 1. Wait, what was the equation over here? Minus 9. This is equation number 2. Before you can do anything to it, not before actually, the first step is you want to match the coefficients, the number, not the sign. So look at x. X, we've got negative 2 by 3 for equation 1, negative 2 by 3 right here. And here, as there's no number, it's a 1. So we want those to match. So what we can do is, we can, again, not the sign, just the number, 2 by 3, right? So we're gonna, I keep on doing this. Yeah. Oh my God. We are going to take, we're going to say multiply equation 2 by 2 by 3. And again, why are we doing that? Because we're trying to match the coefficient of equation 1 and 2. The x's basically, we want the x. Wow, it's very foggy outside. Okay, so let's come back here. And again, you're going to multiply with the whole full equation. This multiplied by this, and then this same thing multiplied with this, the whole thing, of course. So 2 by 3, I'm going to break it down, times x. If you're not sure about this, let's break it up again. 2 by 3 times 3y. And then, of course, here as well. Forgot that part. Minus 9 times 2 by 3. Let's simplify. 2 by 3, x stays that way. 3 and 3 cancel each other, and 3 times minus 3. We get 2 by 3x plus 2y equals minus 6. This is now, we're going to number this equation number 3. So what we did was we took equation number 2, and now it's equation number 3. I'm going to write 1 and 3 together now, so you can see what we're talking about. 1 is minus 2 by 3x minus 7y equals 6. And 3 is, just going to copy it from the top here, 2 by 3x plus 2y equals, oh, this is going to be interesting, minus 6. This is equation number 1, and now this is equation number 3. Look at them. For x, the coefficient number is the same now, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, and the signs are different. And that's what our goal is. We want the signs to be different, the negative and positive, that is, and we want the coefficient, the number itself, to be the same. So now we can add them up. So we say adding equation 1 and 3. I'm going to write it again. You're going to get so annoyed of my repetitive behavior, but repetition is helpful when you're not sure what you're doing in mathematics. I write very slow, so apologies for my speed. All right, let's add them up. When you add, the numbers of the same signs are different. Cancel it out, gives you 0. Minus 7 plus 2 is, I was going to put plus, but that would be wrong. Come on, man. Minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5y. And now look here, 6 minus 6 is 0. So our equation is minus 5 equals 0. And we can say y equals 0. Now let's find x. We can take the value of y, input in any equation. Equation 1, 2, 3, whichever equation you use, it will give you the same answer for x. We're going to do equation 2 because it's easier. So using y equals 0 in equation 2, I'm going to write equation 2 first. So x plus 3 times 0 equals minus 9. X, anything you multiply with 0 is 0. So x plus 0 equals minus 9. X equals minus 9. So your answer is minus 9 and 0. Let's check. We're going to always check our work. And that's the beauty of linear equations. You can always check your work. Again, pick any equation to check your answer. 1, 2, 3. It should all work out. So let's take equation 1 just for the fun of it to check our work. Why not? Because apparently we like to, well, yeah, let's do that. Minus 2 by 3 x minus 7y equals 6. And hold on. All right, so let's input the value of, what did we find? Yeah, we found both of them. So minus 2 by 3, x is minus 9, and y is 0. That's times 3. Minus 2 times minus 3 minus 7. Oh, sorry, not minus 7. It's a 0. Anything times 0 is 0 equals 6. Negative, negative, when you multiply them, it becomes positive. So 6 equals 6. So the answer is correct. Let's do the same question all over again. And what we did just now is we started off with matching the coefficients of x, right? Let's try to match the coefficients of y. Actually, I don't want to confuse you right now. Maybe we'll leave that for later. Yeah, we'll do that later. But yeah, that's it.